Hello and welcome to another lesson. This lesson is a grammar lesson with exercises. We are going to look at the prepositions in, on, and at. Prepositions of place and time. In, on, at. Let's begin. So, what are the prepositions? Prepositions are words which show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun object and some other words in the sentence. For example, the lamp is on the table. On is a preposition. The lamp is a noun. Table is a noun. So we do have a relationship between these two words. The lamp is on the table. Where is the lamp? On the table. So if you look at the picture, the lamp is on the table, not under, not below, not near or next to the table. It's on the table. So we know exactly where the lamp is. He lives in Australia. Where? In Australia. In the country of Australia. I go to school at 8 o'clock. What time? At 8 o'clock. So the prepositions are the words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun object like I, go, he, she, and some other words in the sentence. So we have words like table, Australia, 8 o'clock. Okay? So the prepositions are helping us to bring more meaning also into the sentence. Answer the question, where is the lamp? Look at this bedroom picture. Have a look at the floor lamp. Where is the lamp? Answer the question. The lamp is. So you can have a few different answers. You can say the lamp is in the room or in the bedroom, the preposition in, or the lamp is on the floor, on the floor. You can also copy the sentences in your book, write them down, and move on to the next slide. Prepositions of time. So these three prepositions, at, in, and on, can be the prepositions of time and the prepositions of place. So we're going to look at the concept of time. At what time? Okay? Or in March, what month? Or on Monday, on that day, or on your birthday. So we're using at, in, and on. The preposition at 4:30 p.m., at 3 o'clock, at noon, at dinner time, at bedtime, at the moment. The preposition in March, in winter, in the summer, in 1990, in the morning, in the future. The preposition on Monday, on the 6th of March, on the first day on Christmas Day, on your birthday, on New Year's Eve. Now we are going to look at a few sentences, and you have to choose the correct preposition. I will read the sentences, but then you will have to choose the preposition and we will check it together. I play with my friends at... So remember, we are choosing the prepositions of time. I play with my friends at... Yes, you can write at 5 o'clock or at noon. I play with my friends at noon or at 5 o'clock. The next sentence is I have breakfast at... What time? I have breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning, correct. I go to school o'clock. So what time? What time do you go to school to? I go to school at 9 o'clock. I can build a snowman. When? In the winter. I can build a snowman in the winter or in winter time. I like swimming in the river. When? The preposition of time. Is it at, in, or on? I like swimming in the river in summer. I have a cooking class. When? I have a cooking class, and you can say on Monday, or I have a cooking class at 3 o'clock, or I have a cooking class in the evening. So you can choose any preposition, but you have to choose the next word correctly. So I have a cooking class on Monday, or I have a cooking class at 3 o'clock, or I have a cooking class in the evening. And our last sentence, I get lots of presents. When? I get lots of presents on my birthday. Or you can say, I get lots of presents on Christmas Day. Wonderful. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so here we are going to practice. We are going to look at the picture, read the sentence, and ask the question, and then answer the question. So the first picture is, there is a cupcake on the plate. On the plate. Where is the cupcake? And your answer? A cupcake or the cupcake is on the plate. The cupcake is on the plate. Okay, let's go to the next picture. I am holding a cupcake in my hand. What am I holding? I am holding a cupcake. Where? In my hand. We eat cupcakes on Sundays. We eat cupcakes in the morning. When do we eat cupcakes? We eat cupcakes on Sundays. We eat cupcakes in the morning. You can copy the sentences and questions in your books. Let's go to the next slide. Prepositions of place. Place. So again, we're looking at these three prepositions. At, in, on. Preposition at. At the bus stop. At home. At the shop. at work, at the party. In Italy, in the garden, in a box, in the classroom, in a car. On the wall, on the table, on the floor, on the shelf, on a page. Okay, so they are the prepositions of place. And also are the words that are connected. Finish these sentences. My mom is... Where is your mom? Where is your mom? My mom is at work, or my mom is at home. Very good. The flowers grow where? Where do the flowers grow? The flowers grow in the garden. Great. The flowers grow in the garden. We are having dinner. We are having dinner at home. We are having dinner in the dining room. There is a plate of salad. There is a plate of salad. Where is the plate of salad? There is a plate of salad on the table. My dad is. My dad is in the car, for example. My dad is in the car. He loves his car. There are many different products. There are many different products on the shelf, in the shop. There are many different products on the shelf or on the shelves. Well done. Let's go to the next page. Okay, here we have a practice page. Prepositions in, at, and on. I will read the sentences. I will give you some time to think what prepositions you will be using, and then we will check them together. I get dressed the morning. I get dressed the morning. I get dressed in the morning. I put my dress. I put my dress. I put on my dress. My brother gets dressed too. He puts a t-shirt. He puts a t-shirt. He puts on a t-shirt. On a t-shirt. The animals leave the farm. The animals live on the farm. There is a green gift box, the floor. There is a green gift box on the floor. There is a gift, the box. There is a gift in the box. Very well. Let's go to the next slide, our last one. Prepositions in, at, on. Prepositions of time in this case. Summer, I like to go swimming. When do you like to go swimming? In summer, correct. In summer, I like to go swimming. Winter, I like to play in the snow. Winter, I like to play in the snow. In winter, In winter, I like to play in the snow. It rains a lot, autumn or fall. So in the USA, in America, they say fall. In Australia and in England, we say autumn. It rains a lot in autumn, in fall. There is a picture on the wall. There is a picture on the wall. So it's a little bit different here. You're actually looking for the word. What is on the wall? There are many toys. The room. There are many toys in the room. There are many toys in the room. Well done. We finished our lesson. I hope to see you in my next lesson. Bye.